saying Olaf to YouTube.
What?
You're on YouTube. He's stupid. It's not.
Shut up.
We're going to walk, like, stalk our school. Why do we need your PSP when we got my awesome?
I was gonna play that game. I was gonna help you shut you.
Okay. Say hi to YouTube. To only, like... Are you okay? Come on.
Really, you're so recording. Tell them I love you, YouTube.
I'm walking barefoot.
Okay.
Don't judge me.
my knee.
You okay?
My knee's deflated. It's not that much trouble.
We must carry on.
What is like a freaking journey to the jungle? Of Jesus.
Jesus.
Not even a hand to help me up.
That is our school.
Or hell, should I say.
Yeah, that's a better word for it.
Hell! Oh, my ears.
I have a feeling it's going to be a weird video. Stop hitting the camera.
I'm not hitting the camera. I'm doing that.
What the fuck? Get the hat. Get the hat. No. You're going to make me fall? Oh my god, I can't walk in the dirt in my socks. Look at my awesome socks. Look at my awesome shoes. You people are jealous of my shoes. See?
They're dirty.
So I'm getting new ones before school starts, so don't be a hater.
I might be getting new Converse. I haven't asked my mom yet.
My dad's still trying to fight with my mom. Well, not my mom, but yeah, my aunt.
Grandma?
Yeah. She's a bitch.
About what?
School supplies. Oh my god. Let's walk around to the field. Parkview Middle School. Hell.
What should we say? Hell.
Hell isn't the word for it. I'm glad we aren't stuck with Miss Crotchet.
We got Miss Carter.
I think Miss Crotchet's more bitchy.
Oh, my knee hurts.
Stop complaining! You like Zach that time he fell in the middle of the road and we're like, put him over!
I fell in the middle of the road.
OMG, that's an old hallway.
Oh, you can't see no excuses.
I swear, this year if Jason's on our team, I'm gonna find his locker combination. I'm gonna pay.
I'm gonna kill Jason.
I'm gonna pay Isaiah Jeffers to put in his locker, like he did to Toronto.
Watch this video.
I don't. He does a YouTube channel. I have a feeling we're gonna freak out like the 5 people who watch my videos. Let's go kick the chair over. You people have no right to judge us. We'll be in trouble.
Paranormal activity. No messages.
Run! I don't feel like getting in trouble before school starts. I don't want to have to go to juvie.
Oh, that'll be fun.
What?
Done, Jimmy.
No, what?
Get a great program.
Oh my god.
Why are we walking to school?
I don't know, I figured it'd be fun.
No,
I thought you were taking a piss. You were like bent over like that.
No, it's the stairs. Flip-flop.
Carry my shoes. No. They deserve respect. Oh my god, our school's under construction. Oh my god.
Why did I can't park me at River Valley?
What? Yeah, let's have Camp Parkview, River Valley. What the fuck are you, stupid?
That'd be awesome.
I went to Camp Parkview. It's freaking stupid. And like, I gotta open the locker and you let me tap it. No, I got there like an hour late, so I was like lost walking around the school, and I had to find my group, which was in the library. I'm like, is it upstairs?
No, I was at our hallway.
God God damn. You're gonna hack up Hannah? I'm joking. I'm joking. Ew, eat your tooth. Remember we thought these tennis courts? We like freaking freaked out. Yeah, okay.
Freak out.
Okay, so we came over here at night. Oh my God, this fucking person! What? There's a person! I hate people! People are such haters.
Why was there a person there?
Hang on,
In the window?
I don't know. I gotta put my shoes on. Well, they look weird on the camera, I'm not gonna lie.
I take off.
As soon as I put my shoes on, you take your shoes off. I wanna bust into the baseball field.
Huh?
I wanna bust into the baseball field.
We're not gonna bust in if the gate's open. People were riding a moped through there yesterday.
What the freak? I want a moped.
I might be getting one. I was gonna get one for Christmas, baby.
Your mom should say, "What the fuck, bitch?" Why?
No, that is all my dick going. My feet are gonna be black, and I just took a shower like an hour ago.
I took a shower this morning.
Cause you're a loser.
Like freaking YouTube needs to know when we take showers.
Yeah, 5 people watch it. So what?
No, I'm not even gonna watch it. It's more like 3 because Don didn't watch it, and then his friend watched it for some reason, and then he sat there saying my dad was awesome.
Your dad's awesome for doing this.
He's like, he did a pose and everything. He's like, your dad's my best friend now. That's not awkward. You're still jealous of my shoes, people.
You're jealous of my big ass feet.
I feel like I have that gay Justin Bieber hair flip. Someone flipping my hair. I don't know. Oh, my hair. Whip your hair.
Remember when we did that jammers and we almost hit our heads on that pole?
Yeah.
And that guy was staring at us, the jammers guy, he was like,
We're like, come at me, bro. I'm trying to slap the shit out of you.
I'm not talking about the no high five guy.
Oh, I thought you.
I'm talking about the freaking gigantic one.
Oh, there's this guy at Jammers where we skate, and like he won't give us a high five. And every time he'll just stare at us and then get all his friends to stare at us. And we're like, come at me, bro.
We get the flippers.
The flipper. What?
Why is the security camera blocking us out?
Look, fuck it.
Fuck it.
You think I care? Do you honestly think I care at this point?
Gabe appears to be my son. We can take him around.
Remember that time?
Rockets?
Yeah, I was after. I'm like, remember that time we did the Rockets? And he said, "Oh, y'all are my best friend." Like, yeah, right. If you, Don will tell you, he's like, if you put your finger in someone's belly button for more than 10 seconds, it's considered rape.
No.
I've raped you.
That's what he did to me.
I'm gonna rape thee.
These are no noise. They move.
So fine, baby.
They're both Sundays.
But I thought.
Exactly.
They were like,
These are on Friday.
what?
And of course, she went to Kimmy's.
But it's not.
Exactly.
They moved. They're like our skating buddies.
A skating buddy. But Michelle let me give them, said I can give you their number so you can talk to them.
What? That'd be kind of awkward because they kind of like barely knew me, but we were like good friends. Kind of. I guess you could just. Shut up!
I don't know that we were like.
Okay. Say, we're going to swing up, person. I don't give a fudge crap.
You were
It depends on who the freaking person is. Say goodbye because this is like a 10-minute video. Okay. Bye.